Hi, welcome to Vertical Academy. And this video we are going to talk about equation, how to find equation with straight line. Now this isn't about finding the equation with straight line, but this is about answering the question that came from 2018 GCE Math Paper 1. So this was under question 3, which is talking or actually read as a straight line passing through the following points. So we have A 3,2 and B we have 5,1, and these 2 points has got a gradient, or this straight line has a gradient of -2. Find the value of y. So for those that have been following me on my social media platforms, so either from Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, I've actually done a bunch of videos, particularly on how to find the gradient of the straight line, or even just how to go about finding the missing components from the coordinates. So the most important thing is we are looking at this part of the coordinate, so 5,1. Now we have been given the gradient, okay? And what you must be able to do is you need to find the intercept. And what is the intercept? The intercept is that point under which this straight line passes on the y-axis. And first of all, the standard equation is y equals to mx plus c. And from there, what we need to find is the value of c first of all. So in this case, we know that we are going to get this full set coordinate, which is this, and once you do that, then we know that 3 is x, 2 is 1. So where is y, we put 2. Then what is m? So our m is gradient, which is -2. So we're going to say -2, open bracket. What is our x? X is 3 from the complete coordinate of a, and plus c. Now we're looking for c. So from there, we're going to say 2 equals, this times that, we just get -6 plus c. And now we make c the subject by saying -6 goes to the left of the equation, and this becomes +6, and then that side will remain with c. So now this is going to become 8 equals to c, and that is the value of c. Now for us to find the missing component of the other guy, okay? So what we're going to do now, find the missing part. Again, we're going to use the same equation, okay? So from there, we're going to say y equals to mx plus c. Now this time around, you can see properly that we have the value of c, which is 8, which you can just also say c equals 8. Okay. Now we are looking for the value of y because this one says it's 5, y. So this part we are not going to substitute because that's what you're looking for. And our gradient is still -2. And then our value of x on the point B is just 5. Close the bracket and then plus c. Okay. So the plus c now is 8, meaning the value of c is 8. Okay. So from there, what we do is now simplify -2 multiplied by 5, get -10 plus 8. Now from there, what you do is 1 equals to, when you look at this, you can just reverse because you're simply saying 8 minus 10. So this is just to make it simple, okay? And now the value of y is just -2, okay? And this is how we find, or rather approach the question, okay? So this question is just as simple as you can see. So remember, mathematics, again, I always tell you to say, if you want to really become good at math or in mathematics, you need to be practicing, okay? The more you practice, the more you get better and better. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to support me whenever you watch me from YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media platform. Remember to support me. There is always subscribing so that you don't miss any video like this one that we are actually sharing. So like the video, subscribe from YouTube, follow me on TikTok, as well as share these videos if you have a relative or even just a friend or even just your child who is about to write this year. So we help you understand in a simplest way that others actually don't do. So we don't actually solve for ourselves, but we solve for you. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ewad Kokadin, and I'll see you in the next video.